What is going on, guys? Cinny here, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a brand new YouTube channel, and let's get right into it. So first off, when you come on YouTube, you will just be on the homepage here, and to make a channel you want to go up to the top right hand corner and click sign in. Once you've done that, it will come up to this page and tell you to sign in, and what you want to do is go down to more options and select create account. Now, as you'll see, you'll come onto this page and it'll say create a Google account, and you want to click I would like a new Gmail address, so just click on that link there, and you're going to want to fill out this, so I'll quickly do that. Alright, so I've done that. So you just want to put your name, make up a username which will go into a Gmail, so you just do whatever you want there, password, birthday, gender. I don't think you have to put in your mobile phone, so I've just left that blank, and then just put in your email address and your location, and then just press next step, and you want to go and agree to the policies and all those privacy terms. Alright, so we've now created an account, so you want to go to continue to YouTube here. Alrighty, and it will put you back to the home page. So you want to click on the icon, your icon up here in the top right, and press my channel, and it'll come up with this. You're gonna have to create your channel, so say use a business or other name, so you can create your own name. This is easy, just put in whatever name you want, so I'll just say Cinny V2 and create, and it's as easy as that. You've created your account now. Okay, so as you can see, the channel has no content or anything, so you want to go customize your channel. And this is stuff, you don't have to do any of this stuff if you don't want. If you just want to use this to maybe watch videos or anything like that, you can. But if you actually want to make content and stuff, you're going to want to put like channel art, like a banner, profile picture, you know, add a description and all that. So I've got videos on how to make a profile picture and a banner and stuff. So pretty much I will link both of those in the description, so you guys can watch that and make your own art for this. But for now, we'll just put on the ones I've already made. So if you want and you don't want to make one or anything, you can just choose something from the gallery, or you can go on images and download some background you want. But what I'm going to do is upload my banner, so select a photo from your computer. Alright, so just select whatever you want and click open, and it will just upload your file up onto the account. Once that's done, you can just adjust the crop if you want. So as you can see here, there's a little bit of black above, so I want to select there and make it a tiny bit smaller. Yeah, that should do. And pretty much just select that, and it says saving. And once you've done that, there, you've got your art right there. And same thing for profile picture, just click on there. It's going to come up with this, just press edit. And this will take you to the Google page thingy, so pretty much again, just upload photo, whatever you want. I'll do my profile picture again. So that's this one, double click it, wait for it to load up. There we go, once it's loaded in, press done. And there we have it, easy. And so for profile pictures, sometimes they do take a while, maybe even up to an hour to show on your account. So if we just refresh it, yeah, we can see it's still got this one. So if I go back onto the channel and refresh it, it's still got this. So yeah, up to an hour until it actually shows it. But that is how you do that. Other things, home, if you want to like upload a video, just pretty much go up to this upload in the top right again, and just click on this button, upload any video you want. So go to my clips and I'll just go on this random thing, and pretty much just put in a title, description. So I'll make a video on this in the future, how to properly like upload videos and customize them to get the maximized amount of views. So I'm not going to do that at the moment. You can see my internet's really bad, it takes ages, so I'm not going to try and show you all that in this video. Alright guys, and the last thing I'm going to do is show you how to view pretty much everything on your channel, all the stats and stuff, like subscribers, views, all that kind of stuff. So pretty much go to Creator Studio, next to Customize Channel, and as you can see here, it shows everything for you. I got rid of that. But anyway, you can see all the videos you've uploaded, playlists you've made. So we'll go to channel, and it shows you everything. You can verify it. I'm not going to do that at the moment though. It just shows you if you've got any copyright strikes, any community guideline strikes, which is nothing obviously, you just made it. But you can enable all this stuff if you want. Custom thumbnails. So to put a custom thumbnail, you need to verify your account and stuff. So once I've done that, you'll be able to put custom thumbnails in your videos. Again, I've got a video on how to make custom thumbnails, so I'll also link that in the description for you guys. Anyway, if we go over to analytics, analytics. I don't know. However you say it, I don't really know. Yeah, I've got no activity at the moment since I've done nothing on here. But pretty much you can check, you know, all your subscribers, likes, comments, all this stuff here, you know, where people are watching your videos from, how many people are, what devices they're watching it on, you know, all that kind of stuff. So it's very helpful to see what kind of people are watching your videos, how long they're watching it for, and that kind of stuff. Alright guys, if you did enjoy that video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Please hit this button right here. I'm on 357 at the moment. We want to get to 1k subs by the end of the year. That is my goal, guys. So we're just in the second month, the 8th of Feb. If I can get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, I'll be really happy. Please show your love by liking and commenting on my other videos here. See, I've got how to make a thumbnail, make a profile picture, OBS recording setting, edit, how to get Sony Vegas, all that good stuff to help you guys out with your channels. So anyway, like I said, please leave a like on this video and subscribe. Also comment on what you think. This helps you out, and other video suggestions for the future. So everyone, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.